What's up, guys? I'm going to show you one of the trucks we just finished right now. Did a couple things to it, so I'll kind of go over it, but here's our CST 3 to 6 lift kit with the DEAVER mini packs and all the KRYPTONITE components. Here's the truck doing the tear down here, making room for all of the new components to be on the truck. Here's the truck 2018 Z71 package, CST 3 to 6 inch lift kit, KRYPTONITE components, and DEAVER mini packs in the back. All on stock shocks that come on the truck from the factory. Keep in mind when you're looking at the truck that the stock wheels and the stock components are in the bed, adding some weight. The truck sits pretty close to level, maybe a little lower in the rear. Here's the shock extenders for who haven't seen them. This is something exclusive to CST. It's something that really sets them aside from everybody else. Here's their Pitman idle arm support kit from KRYPTONITE. Cam bolts, upper control arms from KRYPTONITE. Those do have replaceable ball joints. KRYPTONITE tie rods. Here's some of the trimming we did on the kit to make the 35.5 inch tires fit. Here's a little video of the DEAVER mini packs in the back. There's the customer's truck and my truck. My truck has a 3-inch rear block and 37s. Customer's truck has a DEAVER mini pack and a 1-inch block. So here's some more angles of the truck so you can kind of see what it looks like if you want to do something similar. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Let me know if you guys want any more videos like this. Maybe I can make it more exciting next time. But hopefully you learned something if you're trying to lift your DURAMAX.